check my video description for the same link. Scroll down and select latest. Scroll down. Under assets, select this YASB x64.msi. Once download done, select the folder icon and select the McLaren wallpaper set as background. And then double click on the installer. Select next. Yes. Once this installation done, you need to hide the taskbar. Select taskbar settings. Taskbar behavior, automatically hide the taskbar and check mark. And then right click on the desktop and select view, show desktop icons. Go to start menu and search YASB. Click on this app. It started install. Then next, next. Start YASB. It shows the basic menu bar. Now I show you guys how to change this menu theme. Go to system tray and right click on this YASB and select get theme option. Now on the left side you can able to see themes are listed. This is the theme. Choose the one you like the most. I'm going with this When UI 11. Select the install theme option and select install. Once the installation done, you can able to see CPU usage and RAM usage. Search. Use this search application. It's same like a macOS Spotlight feature. Settings, whatever you can search for it. And that's it. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.